Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to create a Wix form, guiding you through each essential step. First, open your Wix editor and locate the Add Elements panel, typically found on the left-hand side. From there, select the interactive category, and then click on Forms to browse the many pre-designed templates. Take a moment to choose a template that perfectly aligns with your site's aesthetic and the information you wish to collect. This initial selection is crucial for a smooth design process. Now let's personalize your form. Click on any field to easily edit its text, change the input type, or mark it as a required entry. You can add new fields, such as a text box for open comments, a drop-down menu for selections, or checkboxes for multiple choices, all from the Add New Field option. Feel free to rearrange fields by dragging and dropping them into a logical sequence. Remember to adjust the design elements, like colors and fonts, to maintain a consistent look with your overall website. Once your form is designed, it's time to manage submissions effectively. You can configure where the collected data goes, whether it's sent directly to an email address or stored securely in your site's database. Consider setting up an automated thank you message or redirecting users to a confirmation page after they submit their information. For more advanced actions, integrate your form with Wix automations. All submitted data can be conveniently reviewed and managed directly within your Wix dashboard, providing a centralized overview. The final step is to make your form live and ensure it works perfectly. Always preview your form first to check its appearance and functionality on various devices, including mobile phones and tablets. Once satisfied, publish your website to officially launch the new Wix form to your audience. It is crucial to test the form thoroughly by submitting sample data yourself to confirm that everything is working as expected. Continuously monitor its performance and make any necessary adjustments to provide the best possible user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.